Welcome to comment. No, that's not what I do here. Today, what are we doing?
We're going to use Amaro.
Okay, we feel drunk, but we haven't even drank yet.
I know. In a Manhattan.
We're going to make a Manhattan with Maharo?
Maharo?
Amaro?
Oh, you're going to want to see this one.
It's strong! Welcome to Comment Cocktails. Dan and Derrick are going to make... What the fuck is this? Oh, the Amaro Manhattan.
Amaro.
Because we're using Amaro and it's in a Manhattan.
That's right.
I get it. It's super simple to understand. I just don't know words today.
You got this.
I'm working on it.
You got this.
It's only episode 2.
I have faith.
I've only been doing this since 2008. That's math. I don't know what that means, but it seems like
I haven't been doing it for that long.
Yeah. So the Amaro Manhattan.
So the question is, wait, first,
is it gone?
Okay.
Oh.
So the question is we put the 2 ounces in, but we only have that much left. Do we just pour it in?
No.
No? Okay.
What we do,
right.
no, because let me explain to you something. This is fucking strong. So this is it's 56.2. So that's, again, I gotta do fucking math. It's like a lot. It's like 104.
104, yeah.
Right? It's 104 proof Manhattan. Is that not a lot? I don't know. You drink barrel and stuff like that. That's high strength, high proof stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's 112.
Yeah, it's 112.
Oh, yeah, I did 4.
I was just going with it. He checks
out being
I was okay. I was like, shit, he's close enough. It's a lot. It was over 100. It's fine.
No. This is we drink that and we shoot this.
Okay.
Well, we shoot it because I don't have any shot.
Okay. All right.
That way we can kill this bottle.
All right. We'll do that.
Look, it's from Drink Up New York. They're not even around anymore. This bottle is from, it might not even be the right proof because I've had it since 2008. Well, probably since 2010.
Jesus Christ.
We were up in the attic when I got this bottle. Again.
You haven't finished it?
No, because I can't get it. It's a special edition.
Well, it's all gone now.
Fuck. So, I don't know if I said this yet, but it's 2 ounces of bourbon whiskey, ½ ounce of Bully Boy Amaro. You can use your favorite Amaro, but it's going to completely change the drink because every Amaro is different.
Yeah.
2 dashes of orange bitters and 1 dash of angostura bitters. So you stir it in a mixing glass. I'm going to stir that because Dan wanted to watch me do it. I said Nick and Nora glass, etc. So we're going to put it in a coupe glass because this drink is only going to be 2½ ounces with ice, 20% ice, dilution, and you're going to end up with a drink that doesn't necessarily need to be in a big-ass glass. I think if I put it here...
Can you get it?
Then I can probably... Can you see that on the camera?
See, now, are you spinning... Is the spoon spinning in your hands?
It is.
Oh, so maybe we do
I think we do exactly the same. Because...
You just seem to do it at so much more ease. It just... It always seems like I'm under pressure when I'm trying to stir.
It's been a long time, that I've had to stir things.
Now go faster.
But, okay, I could go faster. But I gotta bring it closer to me to go faster, because if I reach over there, it doesn't work very well. Oh, see?
See, I think we're doing it the same.
And you're supposed to put your hand here, because if you put it up here, now it's gonna make your drink warm.
Yeah.
I don't know how long I've been doing this, but it feels pretty cold.
Trevor's saying Stan needs to stir every drink, that's why they're here.
See that?
Oh, I'm gonna do the next one. Don't you worry.
Boom!
Look at that.
That'll be cold.
You sure?
Nope. But feels cold.
Feels cold.
And it's all about feeling with stirred drinks. 30 seconds, 2 minutes. I think the...
This looks just like the last drink.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what I do? Oh, shit, that's right.
What?
Because I put the cherry in it. I put the cherry juice in it. A spoonful of cherry juice.
So? What's wrong with that?
Well, we have to restir it. But we should be okay.
You can't just put it into the drink?
Well, I kind of give a bar spoon of this cherry juice.
Oh. Yeah, and the cherry too?
In the cherry too, yeah.
But it was nice that you were hinting to him, and then he felt it, and was like,
I forgot. See, you get me in the front, and I think I got to stir in front of everyone, and there's just a lot to think about.
It's a stressful situation.
When I'm at home and I'm just drinking.
People think drinking on camera is easy.
Yeah, it's not.
It's not easy.
You guys think it's just we're just drinking.
That's why we're fucking pros.
Yeah.
We've learned how to drink and stir and make cocktails with 33 people watching.
I know, that's a lot of people.
First world problems.
Yeah. This is,
You didn't stir.
yeah, but look at it.
Look at it, though. It looks good,
It does
though.
look kind of cool.
I'll sip it aggressively. The face of like, you're not fucking touching that. You're lucky I'm letting you have some. Tastes like cherries. Actually, it does. There is some. You will get the volume isn't enough for that cherry not to immediately make an impact. Like you get now. We should preface this and say you need to use Luxardo Maraschino cherries.
Oh, yeah.
And not like Walmart red stupid cherries that aren't real. They're just super sweet, like liquidy stuff in there. That's super sweet, but it has like that dark, rich molasses.
Or even if you use
cherry
like
flavor.
the bourbon cherries, which you have, right? It's definitely going to change the taste.
Yeah.
Like you said, even the Amaro is going to change the taste.
I just wanted to eat bourbon cherries, but I don't remember.
I first started making this with Averna.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And it
that's different though, right?
Yeah, it definitely is a little bit like spicier. Like it's.
Yeah, that's a much more aggressive, dark Amaro. Like it's
That's good.
over here someplace. I know.
We could just drink this right now.
Yeah.
Averna makes it taste more like holiday, like it's more
There's-
herbal.
Yeah, there's a
Yes,
little bit
definitely
more
more herbal.
herb.
Christmassy.
Yeah, I can see that. Like that's why like I liked it when you made it this way because I had never had this before and it didn't. It's an Amaro, but it doesn't add like Averna's like right up in your face.
Averna
Like you gotta
definitely.
play the ratio. This feels so much more mellow and almost like a household Amaro that you can use in multiple drinks. Which I don't think I've never actually just sat and sipped that thing. I don't know what
You
it
had
tastes
it.
like.
You
No,
had it at
we've had it at our house.
The just straight?
We've made spritzes out of this.
Straight.
We've done we've done it with spritzes. I mean, I've drinking it like straight to try it, but
Yeah,
I've never drank it like just on ice.
No, I don't remember what it tastes like as a general thing. But it complements this. First off, it's a winning thing because it doesn't have vermouth in it. So there's that. It's
Exactly.
100. You're taking 112 proof. You're taking a very high strength bourbon. Maybe not as high as it used to be. Does it taste as burny now that it's 10 years old in a large bottle? Like
It's a little burny.
It's gotta have,
but it's not. It's definitely.
It's weaker, I think, than it probably would have originally been because I remember that being right up in your grill, super strong.
It's definitely less than like the 1792 like.
Yeah, and I think the one you
drink, like the one
I don't have the one you have. That was entirely different. Oh, it's still right up there, but it's not as much as it used to be. So I would be remiss to not promote myself here. You can get orange bitters from Scrappy's at my store at awesomedrace.com, as well as Luxardo Maraschino Cherries. As well
And you
as
need
the
both.
shaker, or the stirring thing, and this and that.
Yeah, and the bourbon's gonna like if you put in obviously not a high proof bourbon, it's gonna change the taste of that too. It'll get sweeter.
Yeah, like if you use like
more
Makers,
brown. Yeah.
something like that, I would go with Elijah Craig. Something that's a Kentucky straight, small batch typically, but something that's barrel strength or cask strength or whatever you want to call it. Like this one's 94 proof, which isn't as much as that, but probably is right around now because of the burn off from having it for too long.
Drinking a ton of the Eagle Rare. That's good.
What's the proof of that?
It's a normal. It's
40?
It's like a 10-year. Yeah.
Yeah. This is the way to... So, comparing and contrasting the last drink, this one is not as sweet, even with the cherry added to it. It doesn't have the same honey flavor that the other one had.
No.
This one has more, I don't know, depth, like darker flavor to it. Probably just from the Amaro in general. It's drying it up and it's giving you a little bit of a bitter...
Like you can taste the Amaro. That's why, like if you put in a really powerful Amaro,
it's
like a Verna or something, you're gonna taste it.
Yeah. So if you're gonna use something different, try that ratio. And if it doesn't work, I wouldn't bring down the Averna or whatever the Amaro is. I'd bring up the whiskey.
Yeah.
Because why wouldn't you? You don't want to reduce. You want to.
And what are you gonna reduce from half? Like
Right,
I mean,
that's true. Now you got to do quarter. That's just a pain in the ass, and you're not going to do that. You're just going to do half anyway.
Yeah, the other thing I've seen is people use they'll use a quarter what is it? How do you say it? Montenegro, and then
Montenegro,
and then like a quarter of a different Amaro.
Oh, really? Huh. No, never seen. I guess there is a different one. That's complicated. Like if you're just making it at home.
Done.
Yeah.
Especially when it's cold out.
Especially when it's Dan.
Yeah.
Dan's like, I just want to drink. I don't want.
I make it in glass too. Like I just take a rocks glass. I put ice in it. Like I'm not gonna chill something.
Give it a couple spins. Yeah. Pass it to the person.
Done.
Yeah.
It's done before the ice melts, so it doesn't matter.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's true.
And then we're off drinking something else. I mean,
another one.
Yeah.
Or you come back to it, then you do it again.
Yeah.
Then you try another thing. Also, our our executive producer Sean Venti. You can go to hit the little join button on YouTube's. If you're like, dude, I don't want to click that button, just go to patreon.com/CMC and click the buttons over there.
Yeah, you want to click the button.
Because
what's more fun than clicking a button?
My Patreon subscriber count is like, I mean, I've had it for since Patreon existed, but it is not increasing. It is only decreasing. But we get YouTube members now, which we didn't have that feature before. So those go up, that goes down. I don't care which one you do, as long as
just do something.
Yeah, just pay me. And then you don't have to watch the ads because you're going to skip them anyway. You know you are. All right, good. Go make one of these. We got to give that to the girls because they're gonna.
Yeah, they're already mad that we drank that much.
We can always make two.
That's true.
Sidebar: more stirred cocktails. And down below is the Austin Drinks Bartender Starter Kit to get yourself started making drinks. And if you're like, but those are for shaking drinks, you also get this mixing glass right at AwesomeDrinks.com with that julep strainer. And if you buy the mixing glass, there's a discount for the julep strainer, so you win all the time. Teach you how to drink.